When it comes to selling your home, nailing the asking price is crucial. In this video, I'll be talking about how to master the art of pricing your home for a successful sale. Take a minute and subscribe for more real estate insights, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay in the know. Plus, if you're preparing to sell, check out our video in our home seller series, Preparing Your Home for Sale. So you're considering selling your home. I'm Jason Hubbard with eXp Realty, and I've got the ultimate guide for you today. It's all about determining your home's market value and setting a listing price that gets buyers lining up at your door. Let's dive right in. The first thing we're gonna wanna do is research those comps. Comparables, these are similar homes in your area that have sold in the last couple of months, or that are currently pending, or that are even actively listed. You'll want to look for homes with similar square footage, similar bedroom count, similar bathroom count, similar in age, style, and location. You'll even want to consider how many days on market it took for closed sales to sell, or how many days on market active listings currently have. By looking at the days on market for the active listings especially, you can tell if a property is overpriced. For instance, if homes in your market are selling in less than 30 days and a current active listing is sitting there at 45 days on the market and it's had no price reductions, chances are that that listing is overpriced. It's like detective work, except for real estate. After you've looked at the comps, next you're going to want to look at the current market conditions. Market conditions change all the time. Real estate markets have moods, and we'll help you read them. What we're trying to figure out here is if we're currently in a buyer's market or a seller's market. Because in a buyer's market, there's a surplus of homes currently on the market and not enough buyers. In a seller's market, there are more buyers than there are homes available, giving sellers an advantage. Now, depending on which market we're in, this will depend on how we price your home. In a buyer's market, you're gonna wanna get out below recent sales to give your home the best chance to sell. Now, in a seller's market, you're gonna have more flexibility and you're gonna be able to set your price, your asking price a little bit higher. Now, after we look at market conditions, we need to look at your home's unique features. Every home is unique, and I'll show you how to turn your home's special features into added value. From renovations that you've done to curb appeal, we need to make these features stick out to potential buyers. One option is along the way is to get a professional appraisal. Sometimes you need the pros. I'll explain how a professional appraiser can give you the inside scoop on your home's value. This isn't always necessary, but sometimes you want to call in the pros to get the most accurate value. Your local real estate agent is your own secret weapon. A local expert can provide valuable insights into setting the right asking price. They can break down the market trends that we've talked about above, and they can help you find comps, and they can help you price your home correctly. Next up is online valuation tools. Technology's on your side with some of these online valuation tools. I wouldn't put all of my weight into websites like Zillow or Redfin or Realtor.com. However, when you add them to the tool belt along with an agent and an appraiser, these tools can help confirm where you want to set your listing price. There's more to price than meets the eye. You want to make sure to factor in things like closing costs as well, including your real estate agent's commissions, and you want to leave a little room for negotiation. At the end of the day, these items will have an effect on your net proceeds. And finally, don't just set it and forget it. The market can change, and it does change frequently. So you need to make sure you and your real estate agent are keeping an eye on the market as time goes on. Your agent should be watching the amount of views you're getting on MLS and online sites like Zillow once you've listed your property. They should be gauging the amount of appointments and interest that your property is getting. If activity is slow, you're not getting enough views, people aren't scheduling appointments, you need to consider adjusting your asking price accordingly. Determining your home's market value and setting the right asking price are the keys to a successful sale. By following the tips I just laid out for you, you'll be well on your way to attracting potential buyers and making that sale efficient and profitable. Remember, the right price is your secret weapon in the world of home selling. If you found this video helpful at all, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more pro tips in our home seller series, and hit that notification bell to stay in the know. Plus, if you're gearing up to sell, check out my first video in the home seller series playlist on preparing your home for sale. Happy selling.